Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Destiny 2 account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open Destiny 2 application and make sure that you're inside the sign-in page. At the top of the screen, tap on Sign in with Bungie.net and tap Continue to end up on Bungie.net website. Make sure that you've signed into your Bungie.net account by entering the account's credentials. After you see your information on the page, tap on the Approve button and you will be able to sign in to your Destiny 2 account. So that's how easily you can log in or sign in to Destiny 2. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.